Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, VIPs, students and families, and friends of the Scots College. My name is Rory Gallagher. I invite you to join us in celebrating the tradition, talent, and the incredible spirit that define our college community. Tonight, we invite you to sit back, enjoy the incredible performances, and experience the pride and passion that comes with being a part of the Scots College family.
Get ready! Yes, let's go, Dante! And heave! Come on, a bit of encouragement. They're working hard out here tonight.